Struggling to onboard new users effectively? In this video, I'll show you how to build a personalized onboarding quiz in Outgrow step by step so you can boost engagement and collect better user data in minutes. Most SaaS teams struggle to personalize onboarding at scale. Static forms don't convert, but quizzes do. For example, one of our clients boosted sign-up completion by 41% after choosing interactive content from Outgrow. A great onboarding quiz feels like a conversation. It asks users about their goals, recommends the right path or plan, and captures key insights for your CRM. Let's build a fully functional onboarding quiz with custom questions, logic jumps, and lead capture, ready to go live on your site. Here is step-by-step guide. Step 1, create a new quiz. Log into Outgrow, click Outcome Quiz, choose Outcome Quiz for onboarding personalization. Step 2, pick a template. Select a quiz template. You can start from scratch by choosing a classic style template for full customization, or click on pre-mades to access ready-made templates designed for quick setup and the best results. Step 3, customize questions. Look into the question card, select the question type, add a description, map outcomes for each value, and adjust the layout settings. Add logic jumps to route users to personalized outcomes. Step 4, design and branding. Open the Design tab. Add your logo, website URL, and brand colors for the background, questions, answers, components, button styles, and question card, including its color and alignment. Use Outgrow's design options for mobile optimization. Step 5, set outcomes. Create 2-4 outcomes based on user responses. Example, beginner setup, advanced features, or team collaboration. Each outcome should include a CTA, example, start guided setup. Step 6, configure lead form. Before showing results, add a lead generation form. Collect email, name, or company field. Integrate with HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zapier. Step 7, preview and publish. Click preview to test your logic and flow, then publish and embed via share, embed on website, copy the HTML code, or use the WordPress plugin. And that's it. You've just built an onboarding quiz in Outgrow that personalizes every user's experience and drives more qualified signups. Most teams launch their first quiz in under an hour. Ready to build yours? Click the link below to start your free Outgrow trial and follow along.